Hey guys, this is my August IPSY Glam Bag and I'm so excited to show you guys the different products, and I actually created this look using all of the product. And first off, the product that came with this is of course this bag. This bright orange with yellow trim is so cute, so perfect for summer, and I can't wait to start storing my beauty essentials in it. So I'm starting off on cleansed but not moisturized skin because the first product we're going to use is the Hey Honey Take Away the Drama Youth Boosting Honey and Copper Peel Off Mask. The main ingredient, propolis, is a mixture that honeybees make, and it helps fight acne, encourage cell growth, decongest pores, and heal damage. Ooh. Now it says to let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes and then peel off. Now that the mask is fully applied, I'm gonna wait about 5 to 10 minutes or just until it's ready to peel, and I'll check back in with you guys. All right, so the mask is mostly dry, but I think I put a little too much in some areas. So I'm gonna go ahead and peel some off to show you guys how easy it is to peel it off, assuming you put on the correct amount. I do have sensitive skin, so it does sting a little bit when peeling it off, but it's nothing horrible. This month's IPSY Glam Bag came with a cream eyeshadow pigment that is absolutely beautiful. It's by Hikari Cosmetics, and this one is fierce. When I saw this, I knew I was gonna do a more sultry look. Look at the pigment on that, that is beautiful. So we're going to actually do eyeshadow before foundation today, and because of the color of that cream pigment, I decided to use my Morphe 3502 palette. As you can see, the black fell out, so I will also be using this Sephora Colorful Single Shadow in Black Lace. So since the focus of this tutorial is using the IPSY products, I will just do a real quick look on the eye using this palette, and then I will slow it down to show you when I actually use the Hikari cream pigment. Alright guys, now that I've got this smoky, warm look going on, I'm going to go in with the pigment and put it all over the lid. Oh, that's so beautiful. Blend out the harsh edges. I'm gonna go back in with the black on the corners, on the outer V, I should say. Now I'm gonna go back into my Morphe palette for some inner corner highlight. All right guys, now that I've added eyeliner, what do you think? So they didn't put any foundation with this IPSY Glam Bag, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some foundation on, and then we'll be back for the next item. So the next product I got in my IPSY Glam Bag is the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer Cream, and I got mine in DD3 Warm. Now I haven't tried any of these products yet, so I don't actually know if this product will work for me with the color. Wow, that's actually perfect. I would say this definitely compares to Fawn from LA Girl, which is pretty much my everyday concealer. This is a full coverage cream concealer, and I'm just placing it under my eyes, my lip, on the bridge of my nose, and just a little bit on the forehead. I'm going in with my Real Technique sponge to blend it out. So far, I love the color, I love the coverage. It has a nice golden undertone, which is perfect for my skin. All right, I am loving this concealer. I'm gonna go ahead and set it with my Airspun powder. I'm loving the finish on that. So now I'm gonna go off camera to set the rest of my face, do bronzer and blush, and I'll be back with the next product. Moving on to brows, I got this Billion Dollar Brows Mini Universal Brow Pencil. I think this is the one I'm the most worried about just because we're all so particular about our brows. So let's get started. First, I am brushing my brow hairs up with a spoolie. And I'm just doing small strokes to imitate brow hairs. All right, that doesn't look too bad. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments. And the last item I got in my IPSY Glam Bag was this Trust Fund Beauty Lipgasm lip gloss. And I got the color Evil Genius. This is what it looks like. And I just want to swatch it for you guys so you can see. This is a pretty pigmented lip gloss. So what I'm gonna do is outline the lips in a kind of a dark brownish pink, and then I'm gonna do some neutral in the middle. I'm gonna fill in the sides with the liner, and then I'm gonna go over it with the red lip gloss, and we'll see what kind of look that makes. I'm going in with a nude lipstick, like I said. I'm gonna take this lip gloss by Trust Fund Beauty and go right over top everything. And once you've covered the whole lip, go back in and put a little bit extra in the middle of the bottom lip. I love this look. So this is the finished look. What do you guys think? As far as my thoughts go on the product, the peel off mask I really enjoyed. It made my skin really soft afterwards, and I actually really just liked the texture and the look of the product, that gold. It was very luxurious feeling. As far as this cream pigment goes, I absolutely love it. You guys saw this swatch. It was absolutely incredible. I will definitely be on the lookout for other colors because the pigmentation was just on point. For the Billion Dollar Brows, they weren't bad. I had, no problem with this product. I'm a creature of habit, and I'm probably gonna stick to my usual brow staples. Now, if you guys would like to see a brow dedicated video, comment below, and I would be so happy to put together a brow video for you. The Kat Von D Lock It Concealer Cream, great. I think it performed really great. I don't see any creasing, any creasing beyond what I would normally see. I had great full coverage. I'm really glad I decided to use foundation because I think that this full coverage concealer would have looked weird against bare skin. And last but not least, this Trust Fund Beauty lip gloss, I absolutely love. Do you guys see that high shine? It's not sticky at all. It's very comfortable. I love this look. I love the color, and I'm really glad that I decided to use some matte lipstick products underneath because I think that'll really help make it last longer. Thank you so much for watching this video, and also don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos.